What are equivalent decimals? Let's learn. Let us take a decimal number 0.3. If we add a 0 to the right of the last digit on the right of the decimal, it does not change the value. So 0.30 has the same value as 0.3. 0.300 also has the same value as 0.3. 0.3000 also has the same value as 0.3, and so on. So, some of the equivalent decimals of 0.3 are 0.30, 0.300, and 0.3000. Let us find equivalent decimals of 0.03. The rule remains the same. To the right of the decimal, adding any number of zeros to the rightmost digit results in equivalent fractions. So, 0.03, 0.030, 0.0300, 0.03000 are all equivalent fractions. Now that you know the concept, can you find a few equivalent fractions of 0.25? Again, 0.25, 0.250, 0.2500, and 0.25000 are all equivalent fractions. So, what are some equivalent fractions of 0.469? Adding zeros on the right of the rightmost digit of the decimal point, we get 0.4690, 0.46900, 0.469000 are all equivalent decimals. There you have it. That's equivalent decimals for you. STEMKit Conceptual Maths Grade 4.